Kiganda kia Mars Wrigleys kiria giakitwo na makiria ya ciringi bilioni 7 kiratanya gukorwo gikinyita itemi nene hari gukuria ruhonge rwa iganda bururi-ini undu umwe na kugacirithia utonga wa bururi. Kuna kiganda giki kiri na uhoti wa guthondeka thwiti makiria ya bilioni 7.6 o mwaka, Akenya makagia na mwihoko wa gutura mieke ya mawira kuna kiri tungatagira nginyagia mabururi mangi gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro.
This country will grow and our economies will grow and wealth will be created by private sector involvement and support.
Kuringana na Minister wa Iganda Peter Munya, thirikari ri na itanya ria gukinyaniria kiraniro gia kunyihia thogora wa thitima na gicunjĩ kia 30 harĩ igana kuri iganda niguo kuhura njeki ruhonge ruru.
We are now concluding a more robust reduction in terms of cost of power. We have a committee that has worked on that and concluded. Today the cabinet coordinating committee is discussing that proposal. That is going to bring the cost of doing power significantly down.
Undu gathie na mbere gutugiria Kenya ta gikaro kiega gia kuigithia gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Kuna namba nene ya Kambuni no ithiite na mbere kwihanda umuthi uyu, thirikari igitanya kwamukira utonga kuma ruhonge ruru na gicunjĩ gia 15 harĩ igana.
This will go a long way in creating jobs for our sons and daughters and thereby afford them the opportunity to utilize their talents.
Kenya is truly poised to be Africa's shining star of democracy and prosperity for this continent.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ ruhonge rwa iganda rucangagira utonga wa bururi na gicunjĩ kia 8 harĩ igana. Handũ-inĩ ha mithe ya Onjoria ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataru wa Mwangi.